Today I'm making a paper bag apple pie. It's like a steamed apple pie. I'm going to start off, I'm going to peel and chop 6 medium apples. Well, got the apples peeled and cored. Now I'll just chop them. I measured the apples and it came to 4.5 cups. To that I'm going to sprinkle 1 teaspoon of lemon juice over it. Mix that up a little bit. Three-quarters of a cup of white sugar. A teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon smells so good. I like the smell of cinnamon. And I have 3 tablespoons of flour here. Let's mix that all up. I have an unbaked pie shell here. I cheated. This is one that was given to me and it was store-bought. Okay, that's mixed up. So I'm just going to pour it in the pie plate. We can have lots in it. Okay. I have the oven preheating at 400 degrees, and now we're going to make the topping. I have 1 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of flour. I'll just mix those two together. And I have 1/2 cup of melted butter here. You could probably use vegan margarine or vegan melted butter, but this is what I have here, so I'm just going to pour that in. Mix that up. And just put little globs on there. And just continue doing that till it's all used up. Well, the topping's all on the pie. I thought I had a bigger paper bag, but I don't. But this will fit. So I'll put that in the paper bag. over a little bit. I decided to add some staples, so I stapled it closed so it can steam a little better. So I'm just waiting for the oven now. I'm going to pop this in the oven now. I'm going to put the timer on for 1 hour. Well, the pie has been cooking for an hour. Here. Turn the oven off. Now for the big reveal. Cut this open. Oh, wow. Oh, does that look good? Oh, it's bubbling away. That looks delicious. So I'm going to thank my friend Sharon for sharing her recipe with me. And a little later, I'm going to have a taste. Now it's time to cut this pie. Look at that. Wow. Oh, wow, that's so good. It's like caramel apple. Oh.